Hello, this is Resilient Ken Lau. In this video, I want to share with you how to create this result. This is the outcome you need, and you have the raw data like that, and you want to have the you want to do that something that the total for all the banana, and you can do this with the sum if function. And the next thing is that you want to find the unique customer that buy banana. So as you can see that this is dog and this is this is a short list. But what I mean is that you need to find out this. You first sort this product, and then you look at the banana and you total up the total sales, which is this is 118. And from there you want to find out the unique customer that bought this product. Well, this actually there's only dog and cat who buy it, which is correct. Now let's just take another example. The other is orange and yellow orange, and there's only cat who buy it. Yeah, that's right. You see that? But how do you find this answer easily? And not only that, after you get the dog and the cat, right now, the next thing is that you need to actually do some transpose. You see, when you get the dog and you got a cat, and you still need to put it into dog, cat, So maybe you can use the concatenate, and then you select this item here. Maybe can you do that? Nope. Let's see what else you have. No, you don't have. You can't. But in Excel, I think there is one more function you can use, which is the text join. Text join, then specify the delimiter, mg. Yeah, let's just say true, and we'll highlight this thing here and enter. Oh yes, there is. So you can use text join if you want to do that. Okay. Now that is not even the whole game. The thing is that we want to do this all at the same time. The sum and this, and you only do right one time, and the rest will do. Because this one you need to find out, like for example, Apple, you still need to come up with the uniqueness for Apple, and then you use the text join. So how do you do this easier? Let's watch the second video. And I hope that in this video you learn what we want to do with this what we're about to do, but do it in a very fast way. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.